Hey everyone, this is Ian with AlphaCars and Motorcycles. I just want to let you know that our e-store is running a sale all weekend. If you follow us on social media, you already know the details. You would have seen our posts yesterday when we had just activated it late in the day. But I just want to officially let you know here in this YouTube video that we are running a 10% off sale via a coupon code. So that will pop up in your screen right now for you and our website as well. All this information will be in the description and in the top right of your video to click on. And this is valid, like I said, all weekend. It expires on Tuesday, November 28th. And we have really thousands of motorcycle parts in stock and ready to ship. We stock things specifically for Ural motorcycles and Royal Enfields, but we also have plenty of general parts and accessories really for no matter what motorcycle you ride. We've got exciting things like phone mounts, battery tenders, things of that nature. But especially if you've been in the market to personalize your Royal Enfield or your Ural, now's a great time to get a nice discount on the parts you've been wanting, or even just service. You could buy 2 or 3 oil change kits, save that 10%, and then you're set for next riding season, and even beyond that. So this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough showroom. As you can see, many exciting things to see in here, plenty of new Royal Enfields and Urals. Also, we have a nice selection of other used motorcycles. And I'm gonna show you a couple new Super Meteor 650s. These bikes are awesome. Of course, we have more content coming on these soon as we receive more of them in. I'm not sure, I don't believe we have all the colors yet, but we have been receiving more in. So like I said, check out our parts store, uralne.com, 10% off all weekend until Tuesday, November 28th. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe so then you don't miss out on future motoring content.